Hey guys, it's Melanie and today we are going back to 2019 summer Melanie when I was at my peak because I was painting hydro flasks left and right. I haven't painted one in quite a while. That's probably because I painted all of mine and I have a solid 7 hydro flasks now. Please don't kill me, but you can't kill me because this time it's not for me, it's actually for you guys. So make sure to watch through this whole video to see me painting this hydro flask for some inspiration, and stick around till the end for my giveaway details for this video. But yeah, let's get into painting this hydro flask. I cannot wait. I haven't painted in so long and I'm really excited. So let's get going. I'm so excited to start painting this hydro flask. It even matches my jacket. I'm excited to get back to it, but this one's for a special cause. This one's for you guys. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start painting. I started off with a 32-ounce hydro flask in this really pretty periwinkle color because I thought it was so pretty, and this is honestly the perfect size to hold water. For today's hydro flask inspiration, I decided to go with kind of like a flower field concept. I thought this would be really fun because you could integrate a lot of different types of flowers and have a lot of different fun colors. I've also ended up painting a lot of other things with a similar print, so I was kind of just painting by memory at this point, and it's really therapeutic. As you can see in these clips, I decided to start off by doing the leaves as kind of like a background. I used 2 different shades of green just to get some dimension in there, a lighter shade and a little bit of a duller shade. Once I had enough stems and leaves to my liking, I decided to go in with my first shade of flower. I used this kind of orangey shade, and these were kind of the background flowers for me. They were really simple. I just like to paint them in little bunches of 2 or 3. Most of them ended up getting covered up anyways, so I wasn't too cautious with how these ones turned out. Once I was finished with the orange kind of poppy looking flowers, I decided to go in with just some white and add some dimension behind all of those. So pretty much wherever I had the orange flowers, I would just dot some white around it with a very, very small brush. Adding these little dots were a great way to just fill some empty space and add a little bit of texture and depth to the design. For the third and final flower for this hydro flask design, I decided to go with some lavender because I thought the purple would match really well with the periwinkle shade of the hydro flask. And this flower is actually really simple to do, and it's kind of fun. Going off of a stem, you're just going to use a medium shade of purple and flick your brush a bunch of different ways. And then you're just going to fill in the empty spaces with the different shades of purple, flicking your brush inwards as you go to give the flower some dimension. To add some detail to the poppy flowers from earlier, I decided to go in with my smallest, finest brush and some brown paint, and then just put a bunch of little dots in the centers. And of course, no Melanie painting is complete without some butterflies, so I had to add a couple in. Of course, I'm doing orange monarch butterflies because those are pretty much my favorite by now, and I've pretty much memorized how to paint them by mind. shape of each butterfly with the solid orange color. I went in with a very, very fine brush and some black paint to add in all of the detail. I also made sure to make the butterflies oriented in different shapes and positions just to give some more dimension and life to the painting. To finish off all of the butterflies, I just used some white paint and the back of my paintbrush as a dotting tool and added little white dots on the rims of each of the butterflies' wings to really finish it off. And here is the finished Hydro Flask. I absolutely love how it turned out. And right after this, I also sealed it in with some clear sealant spray just to make sure that it doesn't chip. And we're all done. Alright guys, so here is my finished Hydro Flask. Drum roll, here she is, so pretty. Actually, correction, not mine. It's gonna be one of yours pretty soon. This is what she looks like, so pretty. It's like the periwinkle color. I don't know what it's actually called. I've been wanting to do a giveaway for a long time. Absolutely love painting them, and I thought this would be such a fun way to personalize something for one of you guys. Just that way I'm not just like giving something away, but it's something that is one of a kind and you can't get it anywhere, and I just thought it would be really fun. Plus I get a lot of like DMs and stuff about like painting stuff for people, but personally I don't sell them or anything just because it takes so much time. But I really wanted to give back to one of you guys, and I also know that a lot of you guys kind of know me for my painting stuff and also really like my hydro painting videos, so I thought this would be a perfect idea. I also know that back to school is coming. Even though it might be like online, everyone needs to stay hydrated no matter where you are, even if it's the summer, even, I don't know, any time of the year. A Hydro Flask is a necessity. I use mine every day. I carry it around everywhere. So hopefully this will be very, very helpful to one of you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the rules for this giveaway. Rules are pretty simple. For starters, you have to watch this video and be subscribed to my channel. Make sure to like this video and drop a comment, and somewhere in the comment please leave your Instagram username because that's how I'm gonna check. And then for the Instagram portion, just make sure to follow me on my Instagram account, which is at Melanie_Locke. I will have a post for this giveaway. It'll be pretty obvious. It'll just be of the Hydro Flask. On that photo, make sure to like it and tag 3 friends, and then also make sure to be following me on Instagram. And that is pretty much it. So I am uploading, okay, let's check the date. Uploading this, okay, so this video going up on August 7th. The giveaway will last 1 week. So on August 14th, I will be choosing the winner and announcing it. I will DM the winner and I will be announcing it through Instagram on my stories, and then I'll also add it into like the caption of this video and the caption of the Instagram post, so that's where you can check to see who the winner is. But make sure to be following me on my like Instagram and checking the stories for that and stuff. Other than that, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. A lot of exciting things coming soon, and I also plan on doing a lot more giveaways. I'll see you guys in the next video. So love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. Bye, and good luck to everyone.
I know it's getting late now, babe.